How to check your current Instagram password. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and open the Passwords application on your device. Passwords is an inbuilt application of Apple which lets you see all your passwords that you have saved on your device. So go ahead and open the Passwords application and you will be required to enter your biometrics, that is your passcode or your Face ID or Touch ID. Once you have unlocked the Passwords application, tap on the search bar there and then search for Instagram, and then go ahead and tap on the account whose password you are trying to look forward to, and you will then see the password tab. So go ahead and tap on the password tab in order to unhide the password. You can then go ahead and tap on the copy password option you see there and further paste it elsewhere. So this was about how you can check your current Instagram password if you have saved it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this.